Okay, everyone, now this is the part 2 of the constant difference. So, yeah, Miss Wang is doing this in the middle of the night. So, yeah, my voice is a bit husky and, yeah, very sore already from all day. Okay, so let's go through. So, this is a problem sum on constant difference, which I mentioned in part 1. So if you forgot, please go back and watch the video again. Okay, constant difference is the feature of this type of question is there's always an equal number of something that leave the group. Okay, so in this case it's an equal number of boys and girls that left the camp. So the boys and girls that left the camp are actually is an equal number. So let's go dive straight into the model drawing. In a school camp, there are 140 boys and 60 girls. So boys more than girls. So I'm going to draw the model because it's a comparison. So I'm going to do 2 bars, 1 bar for boys and 1 bar for girls. So boys is 140, so I will draw a longer one. 140. And girls is 60. Now we know that 60 times 2 is 120. So this is 140, so it's definitely more than 260s. So girls, I will draw a smaller one. A bit lesser than half of 140 because 140, the half of 140 is 70, right? Yeah, so 60, draw a bit smaller. Okay, I'm just going to erase this. Okay, so I'm going to label this where 60 goes. Now, the next one is the equal number of boys and girls left the camp, so I need to cut. Usually what we do is we cut at the end. But in this case, you can't really align. You can't show that they are the same. Right? So you have to actually cut in front where they are aligned. This way. Yeah, so if I say this equal number, can you see? So you can see they are the same size. Alright, so now you can see, and then after that, at the end, what happened is the boys who stay became thrice. Thrice is 3 times. So in this case, the boys became 3 times. So boys will be 3 units and girls will be 1 unit. Because 1 times 3 equals 3. Okay, so girls will be 1 unit. So this is actually, girls will be 1 unit. See, girls will be 1 unit. So this is actually 1 unit. So 1 unit. And boys have 3 units. Now you can see if I cut them roughly the same. Miss Wong, too much extra already. So what you do? Simple. Take an eraser and erase it away. Sometimes you need to erase a bit to manipulate. Okay? Correct? Yeah. So the purple part here represents the left, the equal number of boys and girls that left. And then we have the girls is 1 unit, and then after that we're going to cut the boys into left 3 units. So now the magic equation is how many units equals to the whole number here. Now you have 2 whole numbers here. They are 140 and 60. So can you see the difference? Let's look at the difference. Can you see this is the difference? This is 2 units is equals to 140 minus 60. Okay? So this is the part 2 units is the difference between the boys and girls. Okay, the boys and girls. So 2 units is the difference, right? How to find the difference between the boys and girls? You take 140 minus 60. Okay, you get an answer. And then the next step is to find 1 unit. So you take the answer, divide by 2. Why divide by 2? Because 2 to become 1 unit is divided by 2. So divide by 2. Okay, then you get 1 unit. This is the 1 unit answer. Okay. Now, how many? So let's go into part A now. Part A, how many girls left the camp after 1 day? So you can see the total is 60. So left, right? And you want to find left, right? So you want to find the purple unit here. You want to find this purple unit, purple color. So what you can do, 60 minus 1 unit, which is the answer here. You'll get the answer. This is A. Okay? Now let's look at B. How many campers were there in the end? In the end is how many units is in the end? So this one left already. What you have left is 1, 2, 3, and don't forget the girls, 4. So you need to find 4 units, which is take 1 unit, answer, times 4. You get an answer. Let's see whether you get an answer correct. See ya.